I like rear kitchens and I like small campers. Hey everybody, Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. I got another one for you today. It's a little cold outside, but I'm still out here showing you the 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 23 RK. Let's get a look at this thing. So this is a rear kitchen style camper. So you got theater seats, a dinette, big window over the dinette, and all this counter space back here. So checking out your kitchen, you got lots of cabinetry space. So this is all cabinetry right up top. You got your microwave up here too. It's all the Envision appliances for your microwave, your range hood, and then your oven down below. So you got your 3-burner gas range top there, knife rack behind it, and then down below, decent sized oven. More kitchen over here too, or more kitchen storage I should say. They're really maximizing the storage space. Even though you got plumbing running through here, you still have a shelf right there. And then storage down below it. Good spot for a trash can right there. 2-piece under-mounted sink as well. And you got a nice spot here for maybe the crock pot, the coffee maker. So you do have outlets right up top here too. Over this way, more drawers, lots of storage in here. Fire extinguisher next to the door, big on safety. When you first walk in, you do have your tank checks here, your slide control, awning control, and then your switches for your lights, and then water pump. Up top, you got your on-demand 60,000 BTU Suburban hot water heater, so that's nice, it's right in your kitchen. Pop that right on if you're gonna be doing some dishes. Rest of the kitchen, big pantry space here. More pantry down below with slide-out drawers. These are big drawers as well, so it goes pretty much up to my elbow in depth. Got your 12-volt refrigerator here, and then 2 theater seats and your slide out right here. So you got one single slide on here. So it's pretty much your pantry, refrigerator, and your theater seats. Then you do get these drop-in tray tables too. So these just fit right in the cup holder, come in and out nice and easy. Coming around this way is your dinette here with storage below. So you do have storage on both sides. And then freestanding tables, so you can just take this in and out nice and easy. Storage up top. And then you do have your television right across from the theater seats. Got your stereo right in that one with some more storage. And then more storage over this way. New compared to the 2025, you more so just have like a seating area here, spot to put your shoes on and off. Storage below it too to store the shoes. A little counter space here with outlets and USB chargers. So good spot to charge up the phone or the devices. You got 3 more storage drawers right here. So these would be good for maybe like the junk drawers or something. Roof mounted AC. So that's the Coleman Mach AC. Coming down this way. Window right in your hallway here. And then checking out your master bedroom. Queen size mattress. You got shades on all the windows. You got these pull down roller shades here. And a much more kind of open bedroom feel to this. So you don't have those wardrobes on the side, but you do have storage drawers right here with charging centers here. So you can charge your phones, storage up top. So then that storage goes all the way down. And then of course storage under the bed too. Then you got the gas struts on it, so nice and easy. Don't have to hold that up while you're grabbing stuff from under there. Secondary entryway door. And then here's gonna be your clothing storage. So you've got hanging bar, shelf space, and then drawers below. And then it's all the 5-sided drawers too. Really good, high quality stuff. Come back around, we'll show you the bathroom here. And this is where you work your Coleman Mach AC right on the wall. Checking out your bathroom, decent size on a smaller trailer. So you got your medicine cabinet in the bathroom here. Another under-mounted sink. And then you got storage below that too. Decent sized shower. We're winterized right now, so I won't step in there, but it's definitely decent size in here with the skylight and everything. Over this way, you got some towel hooks on the wall, foot flush toilet there. And you got a big linen closet right here too for all your towels, toilet paper, all that good stuff. And then right outside, you do have a 200-watt solar panel standard up on the roof of this unit. If you guys are liking the video so far, drop me a like and subscribe. It really goes a long way for me. Let's look at some of the outside stuff. So walking towards the outside, so your overall length on here is 28 feet 7 inches, so you are under 30 feet, and then about 5,800 pounds dry weight on it, so half-ton towable. And then just look at the outside of this thing. Huge power lit LED light strip under your awning there. It goes almost the entire length of the coach. You've got the ladder on the back for easy access to your roof there. And then you do have the hitch receiver down below if you did want to put on like a cargo accessory receiver, backup camera prep, outside shower, and then this is your city water connection right here. Detachable power cord fits right into here. Cable input, and then your 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater. Looks like you've got another storage right over here. Don't have my keys on me, but there is a storage right behind this one here. We'll come back to the main side. It's a well-insulated unit too, so rated from 0 to 100 degrees with Jayco's climate shield on it. And then you are getting the Jayco 2-year warranty with the Asdel construction as well. And then this is your campsite here with your 2 doors. Freshwater tank fill is right there. Yeah, moving on down. Looks like you got a little step light under here too, if you can see that on video. The nice blue light right there. And tinted windows on here too, so good for privacy. And over this way, you're gonna have your pass-through storage. Turn the light on in there. So definitely big size storage. It's all pretty much flat, one piece, unobstructed. So very nice there. You got these slam latch baggage doors on it. Then coming around to the front of it, you got your 2 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack, and then the integrated A-frame down there, providing you a nice, solid, strong, sturdy base for your trailer. That's pretty much a good overview. Show you a couple things over on this side. Other side of your storage, black tank flush. And then this is gonna be where your tank releases are. So right down there for your gray and black tank. And then just your single slide out there on a rack and pinion style slide. So yeah, that's been a really good overview of the 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 23 RK. Lightweight, couples coach, easy to tow, half-ton towable. Hop back inside real quick. Get out of the cold. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video today. Drop me a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you want to see any other models down in the comments below.